Burpees are recognized as one of the most effective exercises for burning fat. This exercise involves sequentially transitioning through multiple positions. Proper execution engages all the major muscle groups within the body. You'll discover the effects on your body if you commit to doing burpees each day. Ensure you watch till the very end. It promises to be engaging. Why incorporate burpees into your routine? Let's dive in. Burpees are a versatile exercise that fuses the components of squats, planks, push-ups, and jumps. It targets your abdominal muscles, legs, chest, and upper back, giving them a significant workout. Moreover, burpees improve your persistence, strength, and coordination. They also play a role in improving your ability to perform movements in sync. This exercise benefits cardiovascular health by boosting oxygen flow to your organs, improving muscle tone, and aiding in maintaining good posture. Additionally, burpees are a rich body-weight strength exercise that doesn't need any special equipment. Muscle groups. Engaged in burpees. So, which muscles do burpees engage? Burpees exert a comprehensive impact on your body. This exercise comprises 4 main components: the squat, plank, push-up, and jump, effectively activating multiple muscle groups simultaneously. The quadriceps are engaged during both the bending and extending phases. The biceps also play a role in flexion and extension relative to their own weight. Other muscles worked include the pectorals, glutes, abs, back, and shoulders, all involved in various movements of flexion and extension. Beyond muscle engagement, burpees help build endurance, boost metabolism, and enhance cardiovascular fitness. Advantages of performing burpees. Athletes participating in CrossFit have long recognized the impressive benefits and efficacy of incorporating burpees into their training routines. Burpees are sometimes called the Little Death due to their high energy demands and the fitness level required for inclusion in workouts. However, there are ways to modify the burpee, such as omitting push-ups or jumping, to make it more accessible. Burpees are also incredibly effective for weight loss, with around 20 repetitions burning approximately 15 kilocalories. Due to the rapid changes in position, metabolism is stimulated, and the body warms up quickly. Furthermore, burpees positively influence the development of core muscles, which are crucial for maintaining balance and stability in the body. They also help enhance an athlete's strength, speed, flexibility, coordination, balance, and endurance while supporting good posture and a healthy back. How to properly execute a burpee. One of the absolute benefits of burpees is that they can be performed anywhere without specialized sports equipment. To effectively perform this exercise, understanding the correct technique is vital. Breaking burpees down into simpler stages can help ease the learning process. Performing squats, planks, and push-ups as a warm-up can prepare your muscles for the burpee. Always ensure you are properly warmed up and your muscles are activated before engaging in any physical activity. Proper form and technique for burpees. To perform a burpee correctly, start by standing straight with your feet shoulder-width apart. This is your initial position. Bend your knees and lower into a squat, placing your hands on the ground. Shift your weight onto your hands and jump your feet back, landing in a plank position with straight arms. Complete 1 push-up, then return to the plank stance. Jump your feet forward to meet your hands and return to a squat position. Finally, leap up, raising your arms overhead and clapping them together. It's essential to execute each phase correctly and thoroughly to reap the full benefits of the burpee. Who should avoid burpees? Exercise caution when including burpees in your workouts, especially if you have existing knee or hip issues, chronic heart conditions, are overweight, pregnant, or have recently given birth. Pay close attention to how your body feels during the workout. If you experience dizziness, nausea, or chest pain, stop immediately. If you're feeling well, give burpees a try, as they are often celebrated as the king of exercises. Additionally, don't forget to check out other videos on this channel. Links are available on the screen now. Looking forward to seeing you soon.